Thursday, January 16th. It is a 2-hour late start day due to weather, and we have missed 3 previous days of school, so it's been a while since we've been back in class. Today's lesson does allow us a little bit of overlap, so there's a chance to catch up a good bit in 3.2 if you weren't here for 3.1. So we're working on Populations and Resources Unit. We're going to complete lesson 3.2 warm-up. Again, notice that it says if you were absent Friday, you should also do the 3.1 warm-up. But in 3.1, we were reading the same article we will revisit in 3.2, so you don't have to read it twice. We'll just go into the second reading. So we gather evidence from the article Jelly Population Explosion and from the digital model, our simulation, to understand how populations that compete for the same resource can affect one another. And that is a systems and system model since we'll be using this simulation. So today we want to make sure that we've actually read or reread the Jelly Population Explosion article, that we've used the simulation to identify where competition is occurring. Then we want to make sure we can identify an example of competition that's affecting the jellies and use our food web model to identify competition. So today it's all about competition. So the agenda looks like this. We'll complete the warm-up for today's lesson. That is step 1. We will read or reread, depending on whether you were with us Friday or not, and annotate the Jelly Explosion article, looking for competition. We will explore competition in the simulation, so you're back into your 6 population simulation, looking for where competition occurs there. Then in step 4, we examine the Glacier Sea food web for competition. So we use what we learn in the simulation and apply it to the Glacier Sea food web. And then finally, we're back in the simulation to complete the homework, which asks us to dive a little further into competition. And that's our day.